Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed partners, aviation innovators, and friends of Explicit, welcome. It's an honor to stand before you today, surrounded by the most influential minds shaping the future of air travel. For over a decade, Explicit has been at the forefront of revolutionizing aircraft seating, pioneering disruptive technologies that enhance efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. Over the last year, we have undertaken a complete transformation, not just of our products, but of our entire identity. We now reach such a maturity that it was time to reflect it in our brand. From pioneer to a full-fledged industry disruptor. Today, we unveil Explicit 2.0. Mobility is a central human freedom, but sustainability is our generation defining story. And in this arena, we have uncovered a startling truth. 97% of an airline seat carbon footprint is tied to one thing, its weight. Manufacturing is 1%, servicing is 1%, end of life is 1%, the use phase 97% directly proportional to weight. So 15 years ago, when we created Explicit from a blank page, we questioned ourselves. Why must aircraft seats be so heavy? Why did the industry of aircraft seats stop at the area of aluminum seat frame and plastic back shell? It was 15 years ago, and it is still the same out there today. We came up with the first answer, the tie seat, the first composite seat in the air. It was our first step, yet we did not stop there. For over a decade, we have obsessed over every gram because weight isn't just engineering. It's economics, it's emissions, it's the difference between a seat as a commodity and a seat as an asset. One of our last customers put it perfectly. Explicit isn't just a supplier. You are the CFO partner because you lower the fuel cost. You are the CSO ally because you slash CO2. You are the CPO secret weapon. You do not need to do compromise on comfort due to weight constraints. Explicit is the missing piece the industry is waiting for because we can meet every objective of every stakeholder of an airline. So, what is changing today? We release a new brand. We release a refined mission, and we release a new visual language. Let me share a few words about it. First, we wanted the brand to be bold, symbolizing a true challenger brand, ambitious, agile, fiercely committing to reshaping mobility, with purpose-built solutions for a rapidly changing world. A refined mission, provide mobility operators with technical solutions that work economically and ecologically. We are here to change minds and see together sustainability as an investment, not as a cost. And finally, an iconic logo featuring 3 dynamic motion lines that express responsiveness, flexibility, and ingenuity. Maybe you have perceived already among those 3 lines the form of a seat. I give you 2 seconds to see it again. Integrating the letter E of Explicit, and that's the way we represent now our new brand. You know that we started the company with a hummingbird, So maybe some of you will now miss Hummingbird, but Hummingbird is becoming mainstream nowadays. So still want it to be one step ahead. Let me be clear. While our look evolves, our core remains unchanged. We are still the engineers, the dreamers, the weight shavers who believe every gram matters, and supporting our customer isn't just what we do, it's who we are. Ingenuity that works is our value proposition. Our ingenuity is recognized by our peers, and we are pushing hard towards even more. This year, we have 3 main recognition. First one is the Airbus Eco Efficiency Recognition. Airbus announced it a year ago. To those who ask, does lightweight truly mean sustainable? Airbus released its Eco Efficiency Index and ranked Explicit as a top-tier partner. Actually, our score is 30% better than the average of Airbus BFE catalog. Every gram we remove is fuel saved, it's emission slashed, and it's a greener sky earned. Second, we are a finalist of the Crystal Cabin Award. Decision will be made tomorrow, so there is still a little bit of stress, but we were very honored to be named the Crystal Cabin Award finalist with our customers and partner, Air France and Hub. For those who do not know, Crystal Cabin Award is the Oscar for aviation innovation. And that Crystal Cabin Award is for us an amazing testimony because it proves that the step up we did in our product for the last 2 years, improving the comfort, improving the style, is now recognized. We recently won a RFP with a legacy carrier who said Thai Seat 2X, our seat, was the most elegant seat. Third one, we launched today a new product, the Thai Seat 2X Lite. In partnership with an undisclosed Airbus customer, we are unveiling a new evolution of our Lite product. This seat is 6 kilo per pax seater. 6 kilo. Fully dressed. No compromise, big cushion, big armrest, big tray table, because where we save the weight is not on the comfort. It's not on the accessories, it's on the invisible part, the seat frame. Explicit is not only about ingenuity. It's also about execution. Relentless execution. With passion and success. Execution that makes the ingenuity works. Today, our technology is now acknowledged and approved by the market. The technology, the carbon fiber, the titanium is robust and durability is demonstrated into the field. Commercially, execution was great. We started with Air France last year. We continued with Air Canada. We are now expanding into North America. At the exact same time, we are exhibiting at MRO in Atlanta. And we hired first employee fully based in North America. Lightweight isn't a compromise. It's a competitive edge. And you actually get addicted to it. From program, we don't just promise, we deliver. We deliver on time, on spec, on weight. I was questioned by Marie Kirby 10 minutes ago. None of our customers ever complain about the actual weight. It was always the weight we promised at the beginning, and now we have more than 10,000 seats delivered at proper weight. Last year, 6 months ago, we opened our new facility, a seat final assembly line in France. That factory is now up and running and can assemble 32,000 seats a year. Thanks to that facility, this year, we will triple our revenue. So not plus 10%, not plus 20%, we will triple the revenue. Our mission has not changed, but the impact now is multiplying. Let me be clear, today is not just a rebrand, it's a statement. a statement against the status quo of our industry. We need more than aluminum seat frame. We need more than plastic accessories. We don't innovate to compete at Explicit. We innovate to empower our customers to meet their challenging competitive and sustainability objectives. And we are ambitious. So by 2030, we will smash through $100 million revenue. It means tripling our revenue again. We plan to lead the regional market, and we are invading now economy class seats for single aisle like a Typhoon. I belong to a generation where the race towards sustainability is radical. We don't want to do halfway. We don't want to do greenwashing. And so today, with my team, with the full Explicit, we are really questioning ourselves. Can we really accept that an aircraft will be equipped today with seats that are 600 or even 1,000 kilo heavier than what we can deliver, and that aircraft will fly for the next 10 years, so 30,000 cycles with that extra weight? We cannot accept that. We cannot accept that for the next 10 years, that aircraft will emit 6% CO2 emission more. So this is phase 2 of Explicit. Sustainability as an asset, not as a cost. Invest in an Explicit seat. It's an investment. Then you will get maximum profit, financial profit from the fuel saving, and also CO2 emission reduction. The future isn't built by the timid. It's sized by the relentless. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Explicit Galaxy.